It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud.
Mwah! What Color is a Kiss? By Rocio Bonilla. Hello! My name is Monica. When I ride my bicycle, I am faster than the wind. I like swallows, strawberry cake, and listening to stories that my mother tells me. At home, I take care of the plants on the balcony because I love watering them and telling them nice things so they will grow quickly. But above all, what I like the most is painting. I paint a million things with my colors. I know how to paint red ladybugs, blue skies, and yellow bananas. I have even painted flamingos, penguins, and gorillas. But I have never painted a kiss. What color is a kiss? Oh, do you know what color a kiss is? Do you know? I could paint a kiss red, like my spaghetti sauce. I definitely don't think so. People say that red is the color of anger, and you don't kiss at all when you're angry. Grrr. What about green? I like the color of crocodiles, and they are so nice as well. Cheese! Look at that big smile. Can you say cheese? Cheese. But I don't like vegetables, and many vegetables are green. I don't like broccoli, nor chard, nor peas. But I do like artichokes just a little bit. Yellow? I love the color of sunflowers. And good ideas. Because good ideas are yellow, aren't they? Although kisses are sweet as honey. Bzzz! I do not like bees. Should I paint a kiss brown? Kisses are sweet like chocolate and magical like a forest in autumn. But, yuck! What is that? Is a kiss white as snow or bright as the moon and stars? But kisses are warm and snow is so cold. Brrr. Pink kisses, maybe. Kisses are delicious, like my favorite cake. Yum. But I cannot stand fairies or princesses. No way. I am told that blue is the color of sadness. Really? I'm not sure about that. What is she doing? She's in a pool, isn't she? Does she look sad? No, she doesn't look sad at all. I do not like the black of darkness, nor monsters. I do not like gray smoke either. But I love elephants and rhinos and hippos and black sheep. They are fun, just like some kisses. Oh, look at this. Look at all these pictures. Wow, that's the monster and the alligator and the bees and the autumn leaves and the pasta sauce and the sunflowers and the fishies in the blue sea and the elephant and the strawberry cupcake. I feel completely messed up. Mommy! What color is a kiss? Do you know? Oh, I think what they're saying is that A kiss is every color combined together, and that's what makes him so special. Can I get a kiss from you? Mwah! Thank you.
What this little girl really was asking is what emotions you experience from a kiss and how to express those emotions with color. This is a really big question. When I give Sunshine a kiss, it is filled with love and joy and pride and happiness and maybe even a little bit of sadness for knowing I will not always be there for him when he grows up and I grow old. Expressing all that truly takes more than a single color in a coloring box. I'm Carmabela, Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a family you think will enjoy it too.